Hey guys, if you watched my other first vlog, you know that we just came from Jollibee. Yay! So we're gonna be trying it. We got, where should we start? This is a smaller thing, so I'll start over here. It's just all out. This is a bucket. We got they had like, what is it? Like not combo meals, but like bucket meals. And I was going to try to get like individual little stuff, but it was like no point in getting like one little this, one little that. It's like more cost effective to just get a bucket. Cause I'm not a big fan of, dark meat. I'll eat some legs and stuff, but I guess we got the 6-piece bucket, so spicy. So this is gravy, the famous gravy. This is adobo rice. It smells interesting. I wonder what meat that is in there. Maybe ground beef. Though you can start. What else? We got the chicken. The spicy. We got all spicy, y'all. All spicy over here. Hopefully this is still hot enough because I like my food hot. I said all spicy, but I see a flag on only some of them. Hopefully it's all spicy, y'all. And we got the family size spaghetti. It look good. Hey, I've never had no spaghetti with hot dogs and meats and stuff. It looks good. You guys just, I don't know if you want to get a bigger fork too. We got the spaghetti family size. Just start, baby. I got the Yum Burger. Now they have the burger with a double. They do a double patty now. Their Yum Burger. So that's how they serve it now. I don't know, y'all. We're gonna try all of this. But I want to start with the chicken, honestly. So we'll see. And this is the pancit palabok. Pancit, it's got egg. It's kind of cold, y'all. I might need to eat some of my food. I like hot food. That's why it's hard being a mukbanger. Like, I try my best to get stuff done and going right. But I want my food hot. I might, hold up, y'all. I'm about to heat some of my food. Wait, no, I'll just try some first and then I'll heat it up. Pause it and heat it up. I want to try it right on camera. It smells interesting. It's like glass noodle and shrimp and some other meat. Y'all, I'll let y'all get a bite of that. Go ahead. Get a bite. It's okay. It's okay. I can taste the chicharron. They got chicharron in it. The pork. I'm not a big pork fan. It does have a porky flavor. Hope this ain't pork in this too in the adobo rice. This rice cool. Okay. No, and then I'm gonna just try the spaghetti real fast. How do you like it, baby?
It's good.
It's good? Okay. Oh, Nate's just trying the chicken. I don't have the camera on him because I don't wanna get a piece of hot dog. And there you go. Ooh. I'm gonna twirl this a little bit. Y'all, I'm eating out of this because the only people is eating out of it is us. I'm not serving to anybody else. Let's see, I'm like, oh, I should eat out of it because I can. I bought it. And it's only me and him eating it. That is different. It's like, it kind of reminds me of like a barbecue sauce. Right? It kind of tastes like because it's sweet. And we got some, it comes with 3 mango pies, y'all. We'll try those at the end. Should I go heat up my piece of chicken? I can't even identify some of this piece of chicken yet. It's not that spicy?
No.
It's not spicy? Nate likes really spicy. I like really spicy too. These some big legs, y'all. I'm gonna eat this big fat juicy one for y'all. Them big. I'll just try it. I ain't gonna be like that today, y'all. I ain't gonna be like that today. I'm gonna try it. I wanna try this crispy skin first. I also got some lumpia. It's back there. It's some spice to it. What you mean? It's spicy.
I don't find it spicy.
It's spicy. Like, if you were to be like something spicy, it's spicy. It's spicy. It's not spicy. It's not super spicy, but I can taste that it's spicy. I'm trying, y'all. Like, I know what you're talking about. There's a kick to it. Like, it's not spicy. There's a little heat in there. It's not super spicy, but we have a higher spice tolerance than a lot of people. And the girl, she always like, this is our first time. She's like, oh, you're gonna like it. She's like, spicy. She's like, it's good. Especially with that spaghetti. Looks like some barbecue spaghetti to me, y'all. With some hot dogs in it. It's good. Wait, maybe I'm gonna try this burger too before I start getting really into it. We gotta try the burger, baby. Do you like the rice?
Yeah, rice is okay.
I mean, so far I would not get the pancit noodle again. Did you try it?
No.
It tastes porky. I wouldn't get that again because I don't like stuff that tastes real porky. That's just me. Some people love that chicharrón taste and everything. I don't, so that's why I probably don't like it. But here's the burger, y'all. It's got some mayo on it. I think there's supposed to be some type of sauce on here. The Yum Burger. It don't look like there's no sauce on here. Maybe only in the other, I don't know. Maybe only in the, I don't see no sauce. I thought this was supposed to have some type of sauce, so I just told her I wanted the Yum Burger. I didn't get the Aloha Burger because I don't want no pineapple on my, maybe the Aloha Burger has a sauce to it. But here y'all, take a bite. It's really plain. It's really plain. It's just, maybe Aloha Burger is better. It's not bad, it's just really plain. It's like if you, like a kid would like I don't want nothing on my food, like. It's cool. Y'all, I kind of want to bust out my jerk sauce for this chicken. What you think? Put some jerk sauce on it?
Yeah, bust it out.
I mean for you, though. And could you get the lumpia, please, too? It's good. And these lumpia are from the market. They have like a food court in Seafood City. This place in Chicago, it's a Filipino market. And they got the little mini lumpia. I think it costs like $3 and you get like 12 of them. I'm trying to look in the inside. Cool. They're kind of cold now, but they're cool. I like spaghetti. It's a different spaghetti. I love noodles. Y'all, I got a bunch of noodles. We got a bunch of ramen that I will be mukbanging. I might just ASMR those. I got a bunch of noodles. Maybe I should have asked for the Aloha sauce. Oh, wait. No. I gotta dip it in gravy. I haven't tried the gravy yet. Nathan already ate most of his food. All of his food off his plate. But I'm trying to give y'all my honest opinion of this gravy on the chicken. It's just some regular gravy. It's just some regular gravy chicken to me.
Which pieces you want left?
There's Eat it. What you eat? Eat it. Are you eating thighs?
Yeah, but
Please eat a thigh. Cause I think it's just 3 and 3, but please don't just eat all the legs because I would rather only have one thigh. I should have asked for mostly legs. I didn't know if you can do substitutions, y'all. I didn't even ask. I was so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and just taste the mango pie real quick. I probably won't keep y'all long for this whole video. I just wanted to give y'all my first impression of mango pie, of how it tastes to me. Little fried fruit pie. It's cool. It's alright. It's very oil. Okay. I'm like, girl, it's okay. So far, I like the chicken. I like the spaghetti. The burger, maybe I'll try the Aloha one next time. Or try asking them to put the Aloha sauce on the Yum Burger. Because it tastes real plain, y'all. It's just like, I think they put mayo on the bottom, on the top, and ketchup on the bottom. And it's just some burger patties with lettuce and tomato. This is really plain. But the only thing I would be back to Jollibee for is spaghetti and some chicken. They did have a chicken sandwich. I don't know if they offered it in spicy and as well, but I'm putting some jerk. This is not Caribbean jerk anymore. Nate, I mentioned this before. He works where they have a Jamaican restaurant, and the chef or whatever they gave him some jerk sauce, and it's like super hot. This is my first time trying the really hot kind. Usually it's like more milder. This is my first time trying the super hot jerk from there. Woo! That is hot. It's hot, y'all. So I'm gonna put my chicken bone. I'm sitting right behind the garbage. I'm right in front of the garbage. Throw it in there.
yeah, no pasta. No pasta's good.
Yeah, you yeah, baby. If we could get something ever again, we'll get the spaghetti and the chicken.
I'm not digging the chicken.
You don't like the chicken? They don't like the chicken, y'all. Let him in the comments. You know, I like the chicken.
But it's not great.
I mean,
it's alright.
I don't have a problem with it. We were supposed to do Popeyes today. And I said, no, let's do Jollibee. And now he got an attitude. Now he got an attitude. Apparently he's upset we do. Not upset, but you know what I mean? It does have spice to it. Do you want to try that burger? It's real plain.
I'll take a bite of it.
It's super plain. It's just like 2 burger patties. I need to put something on that burger or something. My least favorite is that pancit stuff. The palabok. And that's mostly because I'm a little biased. I don't like stuff with heavy pork flavor.
The burger just something.
flavor. The burger mixes a flavor. That's what it's missing. So with spaghetti, I would give maybe a 6 out of 10. 6? How would you think?
Yeah.
A 6. The pancit, whatever, palabok, I would give like, I don't like it, y'all. It's not really for me. Like, because I don't like the pork. It's like a heavy pork flavor. And if you like heavy pork flavors, then you damn. Ain't a lot of that burger for you talking about some is missing something with your mouth. Like, y'all saw when I handed him the burger right. This one's left. Oh. Excuse me. And I'm drinking have a little chicken and beer. And the chicken, I would give like a 7. Because I do like it. I do like it. It ain't nothing like crazy. I wouldn't. Some people talking about, ooh, I would get this over Popeyes. I wouldn't. It's spicy, but it's good. It's not bad, y'all. It's like my chicken standards are high. Not just because of Popeyes, because I make my own chicken too. The burger's okay, but the pie, no, it's alright. That's just my honest opinion on Jollibee. Like, I don't know if other people, I don't know. That's my opinion on it, or our opinion. And I promise y'all, Nate is not a picky eater at all. He's not. So if he say if something ain't all that, for him, he's like, dang. Because he pretty much get down. The patties that they use, it tastes like Salisbury steak almost. I guess they use the steak burgers for their burger patties. It tastes like Salisbury steak. It tastes like onion or something in it. Something like that. But yeah, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all no more. That was Jollibee, y'all. Again, I probably wouldn't go out my way to go to Jollibee. I would only probably, when we went to the supermarket, which I'm going to do another, probably another video on how the snapper that we got. We got some snapper, yellowtail snapper, and all that. But if we go there and probably want to grab something real quick, maybe grab something, maybe grab chicken sandwich, grab something from Jollibee. I wouldn't go out my way to get Jollibee. That's my opinion. But that's it, y'all. I'm going to finish eating. I'm hot. It's hot over here. Close the windows. It's a pretty nice day in Chicago. But anyway, that's it. That's all. I'll see y'all later. Love y'all. Hope y'all having a good day. And all right. Bye. Peace.